all you need. Comfortable, durable, and worth the money. I ordered these to replace the worn-out handles on my Bowflex. They fit perfectly and are more comfortable on the hands than the original. I'm satisfied with products. Expected the same as what came with the elastic band kit. These are better. These seem durable, and they are quite comfortable. The design allows for the grips to move freely on the fabric loop though. If things are lined up right, this mostly works out just fine, but if you manage to shift your grip and pull off center for a moment, these will slide up and you will end up on a vertical grip. That scenario rather sucks, and makes for a rather glaring, if not unique, flaw. The clips are solid enough, but I am using them against 50-ish pounds of weight. Not sure I'd trust them with particularly heavy loads. I haven't had them very long, but so far they seem tough and durable. The first set works so well that I bought a second set. I use these to do pull-ups, and they hold up very well. I recommend these. Click link in description for more reviews.